Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. At the beginning of the video, I'm going to ask you to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my new recipes. Also, if you only care about cook with me videos, you can find them inside my YouTube playlist Cook with Me videos. I found out that in my fridge I had a lot of potatoes and I didn't want them to get bad, so I decided to make homemade Italian gnocchi with spinach. I made a little bit bigger amount because I always like to freeze things. If you feel like this amount is too much for you, go with a half of everything. Let's get started.
First, we need to clean 750 grams of potatoes and just leave them inside a bowl filled up with water so they don't change the color. And then you need to put them in boiling water with a little bit of salt and cook them until they are very well cooked. In another pot, in boiling water as well, I put some frozen spinach that I had. You can put as much as you have. I had 150 grams. Also put a little bit of salt there. As I said, these potatoes need to be really well cooked and so soft so you can easily mash them with your fork. Add a teaspoon of salt and continue with mashing your potatoes. When they are completely mashed, put them on the side and go to cut your spinach. In a big bowl, combine your potatoes and spinach. That is gonna look just like this. And now it's time to add 250 grams of all-purpose flour. Now we just need to combine it all. Everything is nice and combined. Of course, if your dough is still sticky and it's not ready for rolling pin, you should add more of your flour. It all depends on what kind of potatoes you are using. Dust your table with some flour. Also coat your rolling pin with a little bit of flour and start working on your potato dough. Be aware of the fact that this dough is softer, so you need to work it really gently and to keep coating your rolling pin. Don't make it too thin, leave it just like this. You can start with cutting. And each of these stripes we need to roll carefully in the flour. Now cut the stripe into little equal pillows. Now each of these little pillows need to be rolled into a little ball. And then we just need to slide those balls all the way down on the fork, just like this. This is how our gnocchi look like. From this amount of dough, we got 4 plates, which is good for 4 dinners or 4 lunches for 2 people. I covered them with plastic and put in Ziploc bags and straight to the freezer. Whenever you decide to cook your gnocchi, just take them out from your freezer and put in boiling salty water. As soon as they come up to the surface, they are ready to eat. You can serve them with any sauce you like. We did it with marinara, red sauce, but you can serve it even just with olive oil, salt, and Parmigiano cheese. They need to be so soft under your tongue that you can easily break them. As you can see from one frozen plate, we had 3 portions for me, my husband, and our daughter. Hope you enjoyed!
If you did, leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. Stay at home, stay safe, and cook with me. See you soon.